Last year, I broke my S23 Ultra pretty much just after I got it. I made a video about it and it was quite a cathartic exercise. So going through the repair process and documenting the pain of getting it fixed. It's not something that you should want to go through again, and you should be protecting your phone pretty much from the start. But you shouldn't just get any old case. You shouldn't just go with any old thing to slap on your phone to protect it. You should get one that can transform how you use your phone as well as protecting it at the same time. Today's accessories from Torras will do just that. Let's go. Torras reached out to me and sent me a stack of accessories for my Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've always found it quite hard with cases just because I like the natural form factor that the engineers have designed. But when cases have features that enhance my usage of a phone, I find it hard to resist utilizing them. So across my desk today, we have 3 style of cases. We have the Diamond Shield Protector and we have the MagSafe Power Bank from Torras that has a kickstand. It's common knowledge that whilst supporting wireless charging, Samsung does not support MagSafe wireless charging. The iPhone standardized it, but Torras, through their accessory lineup, is actually able to bring it to the Galaxy S range. This means you can experience it on your Samsung without needing to switch your entire ecosystem. The O-stand case is the hero. It combines everything into one slim protective case. It's a regular case, a stand, a MagSafe magnet, and a comfort ring, all molded into one. My wife has actually been using the O-stand case on her S23 Ultra to prop it up when she reads books or when she reads news articles, or even when she's sitting there doing her makeup and she can prop it up to use the selfie camera as like a mirror. Not pictured my wife. The S24 Ultra has the remote shutter for the S Pen. So that means you can actually prop the phone up in sort of horizontal orientation using the O-stand and then capture moments using the S Pen as the remote shutter to sort of trigger the camera. It's great for me being able to set it down when the kids are at a play center, for example, and I can just sort of let the remote shutter do its thing and start a video or capture a photo. Then what's great is when I'm ready, I have a phone that's made for entertainment because again, without needing an extra stand or an extra accessory, I can flip out the kickstand, prop it down onto the side of the couch, and I have myself a little stand to entertain myself with the phone. It's convenient, but it also provides that peace of mind with its protection because it is a very protective case right around the titanium frame and also with a little lip that's protecting it around the display. And of course, this phone is all about cameras. And whilst it's got this sort of P-shaped cutout, it's slightly ever so raised above the cameras. So when you put it down on a flat surface, there's no concern about you putting it down because those cameras are protected. There's a few different colors of the O-stand that I have here. I myself really like the gray because it complements the titanium gray of my S24 Ultra that I have. But you've also got a clear case that will allow the color to shine through, as well as a black one, which again kind of gives it that dark grungy sort of look. The thing is with Torras is this might not be the stand that you're looking for. You might not want all this multi-function. You might just want a case. Well, Torras have you covered there. They've also got the P stand and the Guardian mag case. Let's take a look at how they differ. Starting with the P stand, it's very similar to the O stand in the sense that it provides you a little bit of extra function. You of course have the MagSafe ring, but it is not a flippable ring. It is just a ring that sits inside the case. What you do get is the stand at the back, which sort of arrows out on an angle, allows you to prop the phone up in that sort of horizontal way. It gives you a different angle to the O-stand, so it's not going to be as prominent when it comes to being able to use it for like taking photos, for example, but for entertainment, it's great. Also has the MagSafe ring, which means you can chuck things like the safe battery pack on the back of it. And that's a bit of a common thread across all of their cases, is this MagSafe ring is featured. Because when we shift from here and we pick up the Guardian Mag case, you can see this is a very basic sort of case in that it's got all of the same sort of protection, the camera cutout, and it's got the mag ring in the middle. What you won't find here is any sort of stand to be able to prop the phone up, but it's not designed for that. What they do give you though is some options to customize the buttons. As you can see here, I've got the fluoro orange, but in the box, it comes with some different color options. We're going to pop out the old ones and pop in the new ones to give you a bit of color accent on your phone. I like that idea. It's clever. Depending on what you need, they've kind of got a case to cover you. Whether you need just some basic protection with a bit of functionality with the MagSafe, or if you want something that gives you a bit of extra function, but also protects your phone at the same time, they've got you there as well. The MagSafe charger is also a bit of a game changer. Often what I find with MagSafe accessories is they block the back of the phone. And for example, the O stand, you can no longer access your O stand and prop it up. What they've really done here is attached to this 5,000 mAh battery pack is a stand that rotates. So depending on your phone that it's attached to, it can rotate. That means that it will sort of find the right angle to prop it up at so it doesn't fall over. It can find the strength and the engineering that you need to prop it up. I like that idea. It's really clever and just gives you that extra bit of functionality out of the battery pack. It's the same size battery as the S24 Ultra, so you can extend the battery life even longer, especially with how slim it is and how light it is. It's lighter than a sort of standard Apple, which I found quite interesting. It's lighter than the name of a phone that Samsung compete against. It's in terms of thickness, it's only 11.6 millimeters thick. So that means it's not adding that much, and it is quite pocketable for what you're actually getting, which is a lot of extra power for your phone. In terms of charging speed, it actually can charge your phone at 15-watt wireless fast charging, which I think is quite neat, because that means if you need to snap this on, you can actually get charged up quite quickly. And you don't necessarily need to have it on the back of your phone for long for it to do its thing. With the back of the phone protected, now you need to turn it around and protect the front. Part of the kit that Torras sent over was the Diamond Shield screen protector. The screen protector can be installed in 3 really simple steps, and it does come with a full user guide plus a QR code with an installation video that you can go and watch to get it done. But honestly, you will not need that. It is so simple right out of the box. The little tool that comes with it, you simply just have to, after you've wiped down the screen with all the included sort of wipes and cloths and stickers to make sure it's free of debris, you simply place the tool over the phone, tells you top and bottom, and then you simply pull on the tab down below and wait 5 seconds after you've removed that top film, and it'll slowly adhere onto the screen. Once you've done that, it comes with a little, scraper, I think it's called, but it's got a nice soft ridge on the top of it, so it's not going to damage the screen protector. And you simply just smooth it out, any bubbles, and then voila, you've got yourself a screen protector. What's really nice too is this doesn't sacrifice any of the color accuracy of your screen, and it also works really well with the fingerprint scanner. You will need to set up the fingerprint scanner once the screen protector is on, but once you've done that, it'll work every time afterwards. It's got a really fast response time of 0.04 seconds to get yourself into your phone. Further to that too, a lot of people will probably be wondering about the S Pen. Well, it actually does not impact the S Pen at all. Neither does the MagSafe case on the back. That also does not interfere with using the S Pen on your display. Torras has honestly been great to deal with. Their accessory range is ever expanding, and even from last year to this year, I can see so much growth in their Samsung offering especially. So the assortment that they've provided me has been great, and honestly, if you've enjoyed any of the stuff I've shown you, I'll leave a link in the description to be able to go and access any of these accessories that you like. Thank you to Torras for sponsoring the video. I really appreciate their support of the channel. Been with me pretty much since the start last year, so it's great to have that support into 2024 as well. Accessories for S24 Ultra. Something you should think about. You don't want to make that same mistake I did. Honestly, I've got a lot more S24 stuff planned now and even until the next Fold launch, so make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button. Great to have you here. Go watch some of my other S24 videos. There is plenty that I've made already, with of course plenty more to come. And of course, come follow me on my socials, Twitter/X, and also on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next one. You!